pattern repeat in Photoshop. Open up a new file, make it square. This moment I'm doing like a 200mm by 200mm, and then I'm going to place like the first flower image. I'm okay with this, and I want you notice that this is like a smart object. We talk about smart object in future, but now I want to make a copy of this. I will call it start, and then I'm going to rasterize this image, so it's not anymore to be a smart object. So I'm double checking the number of pixels my image is, and then I want to offset this image up and left half of the dimension of the file. So I'm typing the dimension /2 in order to ask Photoshop to calculate the measure to me. So basically what I've done is that I've moved up and left the image out of the boundary of the canvas, and basically what I have is the image repeated. Now you can see there is like a sort of a hole in the center. I want to fill this white area using another image, another flower. I'm going to make a selection of this flower in order to remove the white background. You can see there is the layer mask, the black and white figure on the very right of the layer panel, and then I'm playing a little with this image in order to scale the object, in case the shortcut is Command T to quickly apply this changement. And also I want to rotate a little this red flower to fit better the white area inside the screen. So basically I'm okay, and then I see that it's like a part of the flower, that flower covers the purple flower, so I'm going to use the black brush over the layer mask to hide part of the flower, but because it's too much complex to follow exactly the shape, I ask Photoshop to make a selection for me, and then I will subtract this selection from the layer mask of the red flower. So now the purple is selected, and I click on the layer mask, paint by black, and you see by magic the purple flower get hidden into this area. So then I can deselect. I'm ready to go. Basically what I can do now is to select all, and then I'm going to define the pattern, give any name is fine. I'll be like build 01, and then I want to double check how this pattern looks like. So I create a new file bigger than the original. It's about like 1000mm by 1000mm. Basically it's a meter by a meter. And then when it's created, I'm going to fill this transparent layer with the pattern fill, and it's very cool because this allows me to choose which pattern I want to use among many other. And also using this panel I can decide the size, the dimension of the print, and also the angle of the repetition I want. You see there is the little juggler to play with. This is a nice way to make a very simple, easy block repeat, also rotating with changing the angle. Also you can basically simulate a sort of a brick repeat. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.